Okay, we are at gotomath.com and we're learning some calculus and focusing in on limits and how to solve them. And we're doing the analytical approach right now. Okay, we got the limit as x approaches 0 of 10x over x. And I think if you go up here and click on help, it says something like this is a definition and it needs to be memorized. But we got a little bit of an explanation, and let's go to the board and try to give that. So we have the limit as x approaches 0. Know what it was? Limit as x approaches 0, I believe, of tan x over x. Alright, here's something that we need to remember, and this is going to be kind of referred to as a definition at this point. And remember that this limit right here, if you hadn't worked this problem, the limit of x as x approaches 0 of sine x over x is going to be 1. Okay, so that is one that you need to memorize. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to rewrite this. Now this tan up here can be rewritten as sine x over cosine x. I kind of like this orange color. And then it's over x. And now we can actually rewrite this again, the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x. And I'm going to do a multiply sign here. We're going to multiply 1 over cosine x. Alright, and we'll put this in brackets. And the reason I'm doing, instead of just dropping this cosine x directly down here into the bottom, I'm going to kind of separate this with the multiplication sign and say, okay, look, these are the properties of the limits. Property of the limit states that we could actually break this up as x approaches 0 of sine x over x times the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over cosine x. Alright. Now, the limit of x approaches 0 of sine x over x is just 1. Okay. Now we can do direct substitution here, and this becomes 1 over cosine of 0. And cosine of 0 is just 1. Alright. So it equals 1. So there you go. When you see tan x over x, it's going to be equal to 1. But here's the somewhat of an explanation on why that is. But it's based on this true statement here. Alright, so this is really the crux of the whole thing right here. You got to know this. Okay, so this is going to be really important for working these problems. And let's go actually over to the page and get one, and of course it says this definition must be memorized, but we just went through the explanation on why this is equal to 1. Alright, so let's move along and look at another one. Of course we don't have time in this video, but keep clicking. We're going to work this one next, I think. I'm not sure yet. Okay, alright, bye.